Is your iPhone's Assistive Touch button frozen? Try these fixes. First, make sure Assistive Touch is turned on. Open Settings on your device. Scroll down a bit, and tap on Accessibility. Once again, scroll down, and tap on Touch. At the top, select Assistive Touch. If it is not on, turn on the toggle next to Assistive Touch, and your floating button should immediately appear on the screen. Now try to access the Assistive Touch floating button. Still not working? Turn Assistive Touch off and back on. If it's just a small software glitch, simply toggle Assistive Touch off. Wait for about 10 seconds, and turn it back on. This refreshes the feature and often fixes minor bugs instantly. Now test it again. If this doesn't work, reset the Assistive Touch menu. Inside Assistive Touch settings, tap on Customize top-level menu. Then, tap on Reset. This restores the default layout of the menu. Next, tap on Single Tap, and set the custom action you want to perform. Go back, and set an action for double tap. Similarly, repeat the same for long press as well. Now check if Assistive Touch responds properly. If it doesn't work for you, try adjusting the idle opacity. Go back to the Assistive Touch settings. Scroll down a little, and tap on idle opacity. Adjust the slider to increase the opacity. You can now clearly see the button and won't miss it. Next, update iOS. Go to Settings on your device. Scroll down slightly, and tap on General, and then tap on Software Update. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS, as it often fixes bugs and glitches. Still no response from Assistive Touch? Force restart your iPhone. Press and release the volume up and volume down button in quick succession. Then press and hold the side button. Keep holding and ignore the slide to power off option. Release when you see the Apple logo. This reloads the system software and clears temporary glitches without deleting data. Once your phone turns back on, check Assistive Touch again. As a final resort, reset all settings. Open the Settings app on your device. Then scroll down a bit and tap on General. Scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then select Reset. From the menu, tap on Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and confirm the reset action. Keep in mind that this resets all system settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, camera, and accessibility, but doesn't delete any data. After the reset finishes, enable Assistive Touch again and test it.